From the homepage, navigate to the Jobs page by clicking on the Jobs icon in the navigation menu or the Quick Access tile. On the Jobs page, click the down arrow next to the Add button and select Import Jobs. You can download a sample CSV file and open it in Microsoft Excel. The CSV file structure allows you to define the name of the job, the assignee's email, and additional custom properties. You can also define test point names, custom identifiers, multiple test types, and test configurations. Once you are done, save the CSV file and go back to the Jobs page in the web app. Click Browse to select the file you just saved, and then select Import. The page will refresh and the newly imported job will be visible at the top of the list. You can click on its name to review the list of test points and additional details. The job is now ready to be executed on a test unit or handheld device.